Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video from me. Today I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my small front porch for fall, and I love these pumpkin stacks that I put together. I'm going to be showing you how I put them together using Walmart dollar pumpkin buckets. So if you want to see how I did this, then please continue to watch. So to start with, I found all of these hot pink buckets at Walmart. They were each only $1.20. So I think I spent about $12 or $13 total. I decided to spray paint them all white. So they only had this hot pink color and a dark blue at my Walmart. So I went ahead and just got the pink ones, and I picked up a couple bottles of white spray paint, and I just went ahead and spray painted all of them. Now, since these will be outdoors, you will want to spray a clear coating on top to finish them up. That way they won't chip, especially because you will be putting mums in them and watering them, and I really didn't want any hot pink parts to be showing. This is how the pumpkins all turned out whenever I was done spray painting them. Now, I was starting to spray paint the inside and then realized it was going to take a lot of spray paint, and I figured they would be covered with mums and dirt anyway. So I just left the pink inside. And I'm really glad I did that, because at the end you will see none of the pink ended up showing. Here I'm showing you how I'm just taking some tiny brushes and painting faces on all the pumpkins. So I just went through with some black paint and painted all the little black faces so that they would show up against the white. This did take a while, but I love how it turned out. Also, I was going to tell you guys that my camera recently broke, unfortunately, so I had to film a lot of this on my cell phone, and the sound quality was awful, so I have to do voiceovers for what I was saying. But anyways, I did order a new camera, and that should be in here ASAP, so I'll be able to have my better quality videos coming really soon. Now here I'm showing you how my husband just drilled some holes into the buckets. So we kept one of the original holes at the top where the handles were originally, and then we just drilled a hole on the bottom part of the pumpkin so that it would be slanted, as you can see here. And we just put it on one of these dowel rods, these metal dowel rods that we got from Home Depot. So we just picked up 2 of the dowel rods for each pot on each side of my door. Now, I did get this idea from a Pinterest post that I will be linking down below, and the lady showed that she used orange pumpkins. So I'm just changing it up by painting mine and then also making 2 of them and putting them on each side of my door. Okay, so this is how it looks once the stake is through this pot. So these flowers on each side of our doors they're starting to wilt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull those out, and then that way you can see the lantern or the buckets better. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in the mums, and I'm going to add dirt too, so that should hide all that hot pink. Now, I just got back from Walmart, and I actually went looking for a bunch of the dollar mums, but they only had 2 left at the Walmart I went to. So I decided instead I would just separate some of these larger mums between all of the little buckets. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I also picked up these mums to go in these wicker baskets that I already had. And then I picked up a few pumpkins, and I also picked up some potting mix that I'm going to use to fill all of my little pumpkins.
Running from all things at once without.
So I'm having to do a voiceover for this clip as well because the sound was just so bad. But what I had to do was run back to a different Walmart this evening and pick up the individual mums. So I was originally looking to pull the bigger mums apart and put them in the individual buckets, but they were all attached to one large stalk. So if I were to pull it apart, it would just tear up the mum so bad and the mums would just die. So I decided to go to a different Walmart and find the original small dollar mums that I was looking for. I got home, I saw that they fit perfectly inside each bucket. And what's nice is you can leave the mums in the original pots that they come in, and that way you can just take those out every time you want to water them if you don't want your buckets to get a bunch of water on them. And this is the finished product. I absolutely love it. I think it looks so pretty, especially from the road. It just pops. And I think the black and white looks so good with our house colors. And I love that the pumpkins will tie in for Halloween time as well. They look really cute with the little mat that I got from Hobby Lobby last year that says Hello Pumpkin. I actually painted the pumpkin white, so it all matches really well. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think and if you would try this out for your guys' front porch. I also have a really cute idea for a wreath for our front porch that will tie in with our pumpkin stacks as well. Stay tuned for that with my upcoming fall home tour. I also want to decorate our outdoor flower boxes as well, so let me know if you would like me to share that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day.
And we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more.